It's an exciting day here at Pleasure Beach Resort. I'm here at the Aviktas site and they are starting to lift the structure into position and secure it now. We're going to be taking you along for the journey so you can see how it's done. So the first leg is in and it's bolted, not fully taut, but as you can see up at the top they are attaching the maintenance platform to the first leg and then they're going to be lifting the second leg. The cranes will still hold the weight of all of the pieces they've got up until they've got all four legs up, and there'll be a centre beam that will hold them together. So that's what we're going to check out next. Each leg weighs over 16 tonne, and what you can see behind me now is that when they bring the leg down they have to make sure the whole of the leg matches perfectly with the foundation bolts, as well as matching up at the top. It needs to match with the maintenance platform too, so they're working hard now to make sure it's perfectly level, perfectly square, and then they're going to move on to the next legs. That's the third leg in now. The hardest bit is trying to get the angle just right so the bottom's square, but we've seen that and they've done that now. We're about halfway up from where the 138 foot where you'll be when you're swinging on Aviktas, and it's turned into a glorious day. Looking behind me, you can just get a glimpse of some of the views that you're going to see when you're swinging on Aviktas when it opens next year. So the final bit of the project that they're working on today is going to be installing this big steel erection support beam that's going to go up. It's going to go between the two sides up there, the east side and the west side, with brackets that'll attach it on each side. It's only a temporary beam this that's going to hold it in place while they work on the pendulum, which will be the next phase of the project. That's the end of our video today. The legs are up and the support beam's in place. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing a little bit about how they've put the support together today. Make sure you swing by soon to see some more Aviktas updates here on our channels.